Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to A to Z tutorials. In this tutorial we are discussing about toolbox which you can add to your form to improve functionality and so you can interact to those to guide what they want to do. When you add these controls to your form, they do absolutely nothing because you never guide till yet them. So you have to add a code to tell them what to do. If you are using Visual Studio 2017, check whether it is displaying here toolbox. If not, then go click on view. You can see a toolbox option here. Click on it. It will appear at the left corner of your screen. Okay guys, today we will only discuss about two basic controls of Windows form. We will discuss these all controls when we use it in our next tutorials. First, we drag and drop a label. Label is used to add simple text in your Windows form application. Let's move towards its properties, which are displaying here. There is a background color of your text. You can change it according to your requirements. There are many options. You can create it with your own by clicking on custom. A border style, fixed single, fixed radius according to your requirement, and font color is the font color of your label which you want to set. Here is the font options, and here is text. Any text you want to add in your label, you will write it here. Let's name it name and enter. It will change to your text. And second most important control in Windows form is a button. Let's drag and drop a button in your Windows form. It will do nothing because there is no code. We till not guide it what to do. So until we don't guide it anything about we never add any code behind behind this button, it will do nothing by clicking it. Let's start our project. It will appear like this. Now by clicking on this button, nothing will happen because we never give any code, we never write any code behind this button, so it will never respond in any way. The third most important control of this Windows form is list view. In a list view is also you can say that list view is collection of labels or collection of anything. If you want to create any type of list, you can use this control. Okay guys, we will discuss about other controls in our next tutorials. When we use them in our application, we will create a complete Windows Form C# application at the end of this course, so we will use all the controls in our next tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe.